Ali Baba and Qasim were the brothers who inherited an equal share of their father's wealth. Qasim married a wealthy woman and became a rich merchant, while Ali Baba married a poor woman and lived a humble life as a woodcutter. One day, while gathering wood in the forest, Ali Baba saw a group of 40 thieves arrive at a hidden cave. The leader of the thieves uttered the words "Open Sesame," and the cave magically opened. After the thieves left, Ali Baba repeated the words and entered the cave, where he discovered a vast treasure of gold, jewels, and valuable goods. Taking only a small portion, he carefully left without leaving a trace. When Ali Baba's wife borrowed a scale from Qasim's household to weigh the gold, Qasim's wife secretly placed wax on it. When the scale was returned, a gold coin was stuck to the bottom, revealing Ali Baba's secret. Qasim questioned his brother and forced him to reveal the truth about the cave. Overcome by greed, Qasim hurried to the cave, intending to take as much treasure as he could. However, in his excitement, he forgot the magic words needed to exit. The thieves returned, found him trapped inside, and killed him as a warning to others. When Qasim did not return home, his wife sought help from Ali Baba. He went to the cave and, to his horror, found his brother's mutilated body. He brought the body home and sought the help of Morgiana, a clever and resourceful servant, to conceal the cause of death. She blindfolded a tailor and had him stitch the body together, ensuring that Qasim's death appeared natural. Meanwhile, the thieves realized that someone else knew their secret and sent spies to find the culprit. One thief secretly marked Ali Baba's door, but Morgiana noticed and cleverly marked the doors of all the houses in the neighborhood, confusing the thieves. The leader then devised another plan, disguising himself as an oil merchant. The leader of the thieves arrived at Ali Baba's home, carrying 38 barrels, one filled with oil and the rest hiding his men. Ali Baba welcomed him as a guest, unaware of the danger. However, Morgiana discovered the hidden thieves and swiftly poured boiling oil into the barrels, killing them all. The leader, upon discovering his men dead, fled in fear. Determined to take revenge, the leader returned to town months later in the guise of a merchant. He befriended Ali Baba's son and was eventually invited to their home for dinner. Morgiana immediately recognized him and, during the meal, performed a dagger dance. As she danced closer, she suddenly plunged the dagger into his heart, killing him instantly. Ali Baba and his family lived in peace, while the thieves and the greedy Qasim met their fate.
Please like, subscribe, share, and press the bell icons for more videos.